Today we are talking about Klaviyo, one of the most powerful tools you can use to understand your customers, personalize your marketing, and boost your sales. In the German e-commerce space where consumers expect trust, transparency, and relevance, Klaviyo can be your secret weapon. So let's dive in. In the fast-paced world of e-commerce, understanding your customers is the key to long-term success. If you're a Shopify store owner in Germany, one of the most powerful tools at your disposal is Klaviyo, an advanced email and SMS marketing platform designed specifically to help online businesses build personalized relationships, increase customer retention, and drive revenue. Let's explore how Klaviyo can transform your Shopify store and help you succeed in the competitive German e-commerce market. Number 1. What is Klaviyo and why should you use it? Klaviyo is an email and SMS marketing automation platform that integrates seamlessly with Shopify. It uses customer data like browsing history, purchase behavior, and site activity to create targeted and personalized campaigns that convert. For German Shopify stores, Klaviyo offers GDPR compliant features, advanced segmentation, and analytics tools that help you connect with your audience in a respectful and data-secure way. This makes it ideal for businesses operating in Germany, where data protection laws are strict and customer trust is essential. Number 2. Key benefits of Klaviyo for Shopify stores in Germany. Advanced customer segmentation. With Klaviyo, you can segment your audience based on detailed customer behavior, such as product views, abandoned carts, or order history. This helps you send the right message to the right person at the right time. GDPR compliance. Klaviyo makes it easier to follow German and EU data protection laws. You can easily manage consent, unsubscribe preferences, and privacy settings to stay compliant while still driving conversions. Automated flows for every stage. Set up automated email and SMS flows for welcome series, abandoned cart recovery, post-purchase follow-ups, re-engagement campaigns. This helps you build lasting customer relationships without constant manual effort. Deep Shopify integration. All your Shopify customer and order data is synced with Klaviyo in real time. That means more accurate targeting, smart product recommendations, and better analytics. Number 3. Why Klaviyo works well in the German market. Germany is known for having a highly informed, privacy-conscious, and value-driven consumer base. Klaviyo helps you respect customer privacy with GDPR features, deliver relevant content with localized campaigns, build loyalty through timely personalized engagement. By focusing on customers' experience, Klaviyo helps you turn one-time buyers into repeat customers, a crucial factor for growth in Germany's competitive online market. Number 4. How to get started with Klaviyo for your Shopify store. Step number 1. Install Klaviyo from the Shopify App Store and connect it to your store. Step number 2. Import your customer list and segment based on behavior such as location, purchase frequency. Step number 3. Set up your automated flows. Start with a welcome email, then add cart recovery, thank you emails, and product recommendations. Step number 4. Optimize for German audiences. Use the German language, local offers, and mention benefits like fast shipping within Germany or local return policies. Step number 5. Analyze your performance with Klaviyo's built-in dashboards to keep improving your open rates, click-throughs, and conversions. Number 5. Final thoughts. Klaviyo isn't just an email tool, it's a complete customer marketing platform that gives Shopify store owners in Germany the power to truly understand and serve their audience. With features built for personalization, automation, and compliance, it's the perfect solution to scale your store and grow sustainably. If you're serious about increasing your Shopify sales and building a brand that customers trust, it is time to take Klaviyo seriously. It helps you send targeted emails and SMS based on real customer data, like what products they view, what they add to their cart, and what they actually purchase. Instead of sending generic newsletters, you can create campaigns that feel personal and timely. Klaviyo doesn't just improve how you communicate, it helps you build stronger relationships with your audience, which is essential in the German market where customer loyalty matters. And you know what's the best part of Klaviyo? Klaviyo connects directly with your Shopify store and syncs all of your customer and order data in real time. That means you don't have to worry about importing lists or manually updating customer info. It automatically pulls in things like customer behavior, purchase history, and even cart status. With that data, you can create powerful automated flows like welcome emails for new customers, abandoned cart reminders to recover lost sales, and thank you emails to increase repeat purchases. These automation works 24/7, helping you generate more revenue without extra effort. Now let's talk about why Klaviyo is ideal for selling in Germany. German customers are known for being privacy conscious and detail oriented. They don't respond well to spammy or irrelevant content, and that's where Klaviyo shines. It's built with GDPR compliance in mind. You can collect consent at the checkout, give users control over their preferences, and make sure every message is respectful and compliant. Plus, you can localize your emails using the German language, local offers, and shipping details that resonate with your target audience. What's the result? And the result is higher open rates, better trust, and stronger customer loyalty. Getting started with Klaviyo is simple. First, install the Klaviyo app from the Shopify App Store. Once connected, start by creating a few key flows. A welcome series for new subscribers, an abandoned cart flow to recover missed sales, a post-purchase follow-up to thank you customers and suggest related products. Then use Klaviyo's drag and drop editor to design beautiful branded emails, no coding needed. You can also segment your audience based on behaviors such as customers who haven't purchased in 30 days or those who only buy certain product types. These segments allow you to deliver hyper-targeted marketing that converts. If you're running a Shopify store in Germany, one of the smartest moves you can make is integrating Klaviyo. Klaviyo is a powerful marketing automation platform designed to help online businesses build personalized relationships with their customers through emails and SMS campaigns. What sets it apart is its ability to collect and use customer data effectively, giving you the power to send targeted messages that drive engagement and sales. Understanding your customers is a key to growing your online store. Klaviyo gives you deep insights into who your customers are, what they browse, what they buy, and how often they shop. With this data, you can create personalized marketing campaigns that speak directly to their needs. This is especially important in the German market where customers value relevance, privacy, and trust when engaging with brands. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to take your Shopify store to the next level, Klaviyo can help you build smarter, more personalized marketing that truly connects with your German customers. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more e-commerce and marketing tips. If you got any questions about setting up Klaviyo or reaching customers in Germany, drop them in the comments. I'm always here to help. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.